everyone, welcome back to Byte Masters Academy, where we simplify programming concepts one video at a time. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic in C programming, operators. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. So, what exactly are operators in C? In simple terms, operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. They are the building blocks of any C program, helping you manipulate data and variables to achieve your desired outcomes. Let's break down the different types of operators you'll encounter. Operators in C can be categorized into several types: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operator, bitwise operators. Let's go through each type one by one. First up, we have arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. Here are the common ones. Addition adds two operands, for example, a plus b. Subtraction subtracts the second operand from the first, for example, a minus b. Multiplication multiplies two operands, for example, a multiply by b. Division divides the first operand by the second, for example, a divide by b. Modulus gives the remainder of a division, for example, a modulus b. Next, we have relational operators, which compare two values and return a Boolean result, true or false. Equal to checks if two operands are equal. Not equal to checks if two operands are not equal. Greater than checks if the first operand is greater than the second. Less than checks if the first operand is less than the second. Greater than or equal to checks if the first operand is greater than or equal to the second. Less than or equal to checks if the first operand is less than or equal to the second. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions. The common logical operators in C are logical and returns true if both conditions are true, logical or returns true if at least one of the conditions is true, logical not reverses the logical state of its operand. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operator is equal sign. But there are also compound assignment operators. Assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. Adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Multiplies the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Divides the left operand by the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Takes the modulus using the two operands and assigns the result to the left operand. Increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Increment sign increases the value by 1. Decrement sign decreases the value by 1. These can be used in prefix form pre-increment, a pre-decrement, or postfix form post-increment, a post-decrement, a. Here, we have int equals 5. When we use a++ in the printf statement, it's called a post increment. This means the current value of a, which is 5, is used in the printf statement first, and only after that, a is incremented to 6. That's why the output is 5, but after this line, a becomes 6. This example will also help you understand how other increment and decrement operators behave when used as prefix ++, a, and postfix, a++. The conditional operator is a shorthand way of writing an if-else statement. It takes 3 operands and is written as Lastly, we have bitwise operators, which operate on bits and perform bit-by-bit operations. And that's a wrap on the different types of operators in C programming. I hope this video helps you understand how to use operators in your code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Byte Masters Academy. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll see